There are three common questions that most beginner artists, and indeed artists who have been painting for a while, ask themselves and still worry about. And the first one is where to start. How do you begin a painting? The second one is, having the fear of looking at a blank canvas or piece of paper. And the third one is there a right or wrong with abstract painting? Now, I'm Joy Fahey. I'm a visual artist and teacher, and I've been helping students develop their art skills, their confidence and their creativity for many years. And this channel is all about helping you answer all those questions and much more. I have many different videos going through the whole process of how to paint abstracts and how to build your confidence and those skills to make you feel satisfied and happy with your painting. It's such a wonderful thing to do. And, sometimes it can be frustrating because you've got all these ideas and you want to go and use them on your painting, but you're not sure how to approach it. So have a look through many of my videos because those questions are going to be answered. But looking at those three key questions, where to start? You just want to begin. Pick up a brush, pick up a pen, get your paper, get your sketchbook, and just start something. And it's in that something that other things develop, and you never know where it's going to take you. And you will discover so many interesting things when you actually just begin. And that fear of the canvas or the paper kind of disappears because you get going, you get into the zone, you get kind of moving and things begin to happen. We ask ourselves what's right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. Whatever you put down on that paper is relevant to you. What you can develop are your skills. So you learn about composition, you learn about color mixing, about color contrasts and values, and how to place those different colors in a painting. And that comes as you go. And those are skills that you will learn along the way. But there's nothing quite like being creative and intuitive with your painting. And as you progress, you learn how to compose your painting, how those color contrasts work, what colors to put together, and how to mix them. And throughout my different videos, I show you all those processes. And if you really want to move things forward quicker, I have a free abstract painting mini course, and I'll leave the information for you below in the description. So I hope you're going to enjoy. And if you want to have more educational videos and tutorials, then press the notification button and subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, then give me the thumbs up. And do ask any questions. I answer all the comments and all the questions regularly and keep you abreast of all the things that are going on my channel. So I look forward to seeing you again soon and enjoy your painting. Bye for now.